Good morning.
Morning.
It is 7:30 and we are in Roatan.
We are in Roatan, ported and docked.
We are meeting with Sharon at Sea's group down in the atrium lobby, and then we're all heading to the Sloth excursion. So we will certainly take you with us and show you that.
Absolutely, it should be an interesting day. Never done anything like this before.
So we'll take you with us and show you what we see.
Come along and escape with us to Roatan, Honduras.
All right, here's our group leaving the ship. We're headed down to our excursion.
Smile!
It's our beautiful hull arch. It's weird, the Norwegian Pearl has pearls. I don't know why the Breakaway has random musical notes and planets. Oasis of the Seas is parked in front of us over here.
We're following our Group 3 sign. Man, she's holding that sign the whole time, too. My arm will be aching.
Here we are in Roatan, Honduras. Yeah, meandered outside the port. We're now trying to locate our bus. We're gonna hang out right here, it seems.
And if you have donations, there's gonna be one quick stop at the church. You can drop off the backpacks or monetary donations to the admins right there. Then you go straight to the Sloth Park, chocolate, rum, the sign. If you want to do anything extra, just let your guide know. We got time. All right? So enjoy your day, you guys. Have a good one. Fun.
We are still walking, trying to locate our tour bus. It's the name of the monkey and sloth sanctuary that we're in, the Mayan Jungle Canopy Victor Bod Monkey and Sloth Sanctuary. Here we are at the Real Deal Roatan Tours. Finally arrived in our buses.
Welcome to the Sloth excursion. We have finally made it.
Rotan, I'm getting excited to go do the sloths. It's my favorite part of the whole cruise.
Excellent. Wonderful. Except, who are you? Tell me your name.
Oh, Robin from the east coast of Canada.
Excellent.
Jen from the same
all
John,
right.
Brunswick, Canada.
Great.
We are the real deal. Yes. Welcome to Roatan. Enjoy it.
Right? A lot of ATV riders, zipliners, sloths, monkeys.
Here's the iguanas and sloth enclosures.
Look at that iguana chomp on those leaves. There's a lot of iguanas over there.
Well,
Hello, Iguana.
Yeah, we just taking pictures. This is my group, no? Okay.
I remember you.
All right. Okay, guys. Right here, we got the slot area, okay? He's gonna have a slot guide. He's gonna choose which slot you guys gonna hold. So that'll be him. But I got a slot named Betty, Alex, Luna, JC, Catalea, Flash Junior. So he's gonna decide which slot you guys gonna hold. I beg you guys, his rules is you only get one chance per person. You take all the pictures you like, okay? And he will come and take the slot off of you. He's basically, I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna make sure you get your pictures, good? She's like, oh, I'm outside, I'm not under.
Hi, Luna.
Oh, hi, Judy. You're so close to the tree. Oh, I'm sorry.
He picked the sloth.
Okay, what's next?
I'm taking pictures. That's what I was saying. Good job. Yeah. I was going to take your picture.
Never gone.
Ahí está Betty. Tal vez acá, porque como está abierto.
Oh my God, that's so sweet. Do the soft smile.
You look alike?
You got fur on your face.
Oh, he wants to leave.
No, don't leave.
Oh,
Don't leave.
you want your camera. He wants to be a vlogger.
He's trying to escape.
He wants some beaver nuggets. Let me see Sloth now. Wait.
Got me on my head. Here, can you get him? Can you get his run on my head?
Yeah. Before he digs into my brain.
He's a hugger. He's a big hugger.
That's her food right there. That's the type of leaf right there.
Is it?
What kind is it?
Trumpet tree.
Trumpet tree. Oh boy. Go get a pet. Hello. Not your head though. Hello, love.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, your turn.
Got sharp claws though. Awesome. Which is this one's name? Luna. Hello, lovely Luna. Look at that, Luna. Are you hungry? You want leaves, don't you? Look at that. Awesome. She's yours now.
Okay, everybody get pictures.
Goodbye, Luna. You take care, sweetie pie.
You gotta come closer.
Kitty's got Luna.
Well, you better watch those earrings when we go in the monkey store.
Right. Luna. Awesome.
Oh, you've made my whole week.
Right?
You're so sweet.
zip line. Gorgeous bird.
Pretty bird. Feel that big. That bird, I said pretty bird, and it went rot, was posing. We must get that a lot. Here we are, and we've just hugged sloths, as you've seen, and we're about to meet some monkeys.
Okay, come right in. Mama, that house fell because they're going to open it. No, they're opening the drink. We make a circle so that everybody can have a chance. It's just a flight. That's Pinky. Let him come to you, Mama. He don't jump, so you want to get close to him.
Hello, Pinky. I bet chin strap.
Oh, look at that.
Hello, Pinky. I know, you think you want that hat, huh? It's pretty tight.
I'm starting to wish you. Take a selfie. Take a selfie. I game too. Take your picture. No. Woo. What, Mom?
Okay, you.
Coco. You got picture? Pinky. Who's right now?
Pinky, he's right behind you.
Hit the top of your head.
No. You want to go that way? Or you just like that?
Mom's side, baby. Oh, okay. You're too close to me.
Or the other monkey, whatever.
He still wants that hat.
Yeah, look.
He still wants that hat.
We'll go in here.
It fell. Put it back on the monkey bed. I like it. Got a video.
That's their baby right there. No? Don't go there first. He's backing up and protecting his baby. This is Flip, and his baby boy is 9 months old. He was born here, so they're looking to make another one. Now, when they mate, they don't cheat on each other, okay? They mate for life. Everybody hear that?
Is that true? Are you mated for life?
Hello. You can scoop a little bit more for the other ones to come in so they can get their pictures. Just don't go there, please. Do they shit, Rainbow?
It's like that's tall. I want that.